Have you ever looked back at a person you once loved and felt that powerful pull in your heart, that undeniable desire to have them back in your life? Maybe it's someone who made you feel complete, someone who once brought joy, comfort, and passion into your world, and for some reason, the connection faded, broke, or disappeared. But here's the truth. Love doesn't simply vanish. Energy never dies, it only transforms. And if you truly believe, the law of attraction can become the bridge that reconnects you with the person you long for. The first secret to attracting someone back is to shift your inner energy. Most people, when they want someone to return, fall into desperation. They focus on the emptiness, the loss, the pain of not having that person around. But here's the paradox. The universe doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to what you feel. If you are vibrating sadness, lack, and fear, you are only attracting more separation. So you must begin within yourself. Step into the vibration of love, even before that person returns. This means embracing self-love, feeling whole, and embodying the version of you that is already loved, already chosen, already happy. The universe mirrors who you are, not what you chase. Now imagine this. Instead of replaying every argument, every word left unsaid, every mistake made, you start to rewrite the story in your mind. Close your eyes and picture the two of you together, smiling, talking, holding each other. See the relationship as healed, renewed, stronger than before. Imagine the version of them that understands you, loves you, and desires you. And then, imagine the version of yourself who is magnetic, confident, and overflowing with love. Because when you change the script in your imagination, you are already creating the blueprint for your reality. Here's another powerful key: emotional detachment. This does not mean stop loving them, it means stop obsessing. When you cling too tightly, when you think about them with anxiety and fear of losing them, you're pushing them away vibrationally. Neediness creates resistance. But when you release, when you trust, when you allow the universe to do its work, suddenly, circumstances begin to shift. Maybe they start thinking about you. Maybe they dream of you. Maybe something happens that puts you back into their path. Think about this. How many times have you suddenly thought of someone you hadn't seen in years, and out of nowhere, they called or appeared? That is not coincidence. That is energy aligning. And the same can happen with the one you love. But here is where most people fail. They stay stuck in the past. They focus on guilt, anger, regret. The law of attraction cannot bring you what you want if you are vibrating at the frequency of pain. So instead of asking, why did it end? Why did they leave? Why did this happen? Start asking, what have I learned? How have I grown? What can I create now? When you transform your perspective, you transform your energy. And there's something even deeper. To attract them back, you must first become the person who is truly ready for love. Because if the relationship broke due to miscommunication, fear, or insecurity, you don't want to repeat the same cycle. Use this time to become stronger, calmer, more confident, more magnetic. Fall in love with your own journey, and you will naturally radiate the kind of energy that draws them back effortlessly. Now, let's talk about gratitude, the ultimate magnet for love. Gratitude turns pain into power. Gratitude transforms heartbreak into hope. The moment you start saying, "Thank you for the love we shared. Thank you for the lessons I learned. Thank you for the person I am becoming," you immediately shift into alignment with abundance. Gratitude is proof to the universe that you are ready to receive more love, more joy, more connection. So, how do you use all this in practice? Every single day, take a few minutes to visualize. See their face, hear their voice, feel their presence as if they are already with you. Allow your body to feel the emotions of reunion, the joy, the passion, the peace. Then let it go. Don't cling. Don't wonder when it will happen. Simply trust. Because faith is the most powerful vibration you can hold. And remember, this is not about forcing someone's free will. It's about aligning with the version of reality where love already exists between you and them. The universe has infinite versions of your story, and you have the power to tune into the one where you are together, healed and happy. So, if you truly desire to bring someone back, stop asking when, stop asking how. Instead, live today as if it is already done. Be the person who is loved. Be the person who is chosen. Be the person who is magnetic. And let the universe deliver the perfect timing, the perfect opportunity, the perfect way for your paths to cross again. Because love, real love, always finds its way back. So, if you are ready to bring love back into your life, remember this. The law of attraction responds to your energy, your focus, and your belief. Love is not lost. Love is energy, and energy can always be aligned again. Start today. Shift your vibration. Live as if it's already yours. And trust that the universe is already working to bring the right person in the right way at the right time. If this message spoke to your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and leave a comment below telling me what you're manifesting into your life right now. And if you want to keep learning how to use the law of attraction to transform your love, your abundance, and your destiny, subscribe to this channel and join this journey with me. The universe is waiting for you.